and welcome. Today we have Mr. Jashanpreet Singh from Electronica HiTech talking to us about their latest developments.
Here in AMTEX 2026, we display our highly precise CNC wire cut machine, that is Toolmaster 6F machine.
So can you say a little more about the new launch product, what you are exhibiting here in AMTEX?
Actually, recently we have launched our highly precise Toolmaster 9F series. That is a bigger machine, which machine can cater our application for aerospace industry, defense industry, general engineering purpose and automotive industry.
The kind of range of products what you are presenting here?
As an Electronica Group, we are dealing in metal cutting machines, metal forming machines and EDM and wire cut machine. We have expertise in manufacturing. In metal cutting, we have an exclusive channel partner for 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏, surface grinder and DN solution and 𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Same like we have a principle of metal forming machines also, that is a 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, that is a press brake machines and high precise laser cutting machines supplied to the customers.
So talking about Indian market, automobile is one of the most promising market for this segment. What kind of potential you see for your range of solutions?
We are introducing latest technology as per the industry norm. We are upgraded our cell as per the requirement of the customer, and we understand the customer application also. If there is any need of special purpose machine, we design for them also. There are some clients who are having the cutting tool industry which are earlier importing from the outsourced countries. In India, there are many suppliers where we have supplied the machines, special purpose wire cut machine we have designed for them.
In your product, is it completely 100% India made product?
Our machine is completely country of origin is Indian. Our controllers, our technology is completely Indian machines, and that is a completely precise machine. You can achieve up to 4 to 5 micron accuracy easily, and we are the only one in India who are manufacturing the linear motor machine in Indian made version. There is no other player who are supplying the linear motor machine. There are n number of customers where we have already supplied the machine.
Looking at the logistic challenges which are coming up in recent times, do you face any kind of such supply chain issues?
So many things are dependent on the international market and the USD fluctuations rate, but our team is very capable to handle all the things. We have a proper supply chain team, logistic team and procurement team. They manage all the things efficiently.
Can you say a little about the manufacturing facility what you have in India?
We have a proper in-house machining solution, in-house machining, MCB preparation, electronics component manufacturing, proper R&D center, tech center we have.
Currently you are catering to the domestic market with this new launch, or do you have plans to export us?
We are already supplied the machine in export countries, especially in Dubai, UAE, Oman, South Africa and other rest of the neighbor countries. We already have a presence in Asia also.
What kind of revenue mix you see sector-wise?
Automotive market is day by day is growing. Our major share is the automotive sector. Second is for the defense sector and aerospace, same like medical and general engineering purpose always there.
What makes Electronica HiTech most favorable vendor for the Indian market?
We have supplied many machines in the JBM, ALP Overseas, Allied Nippon, SG Control, Shakti Molds, Shri Maruti Die and Molds. They are basically, some are the tier 1 supplier, and there are some tool room, commercial tool room, they are our machine users and multiple users. There is some clients, they are using our 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 machines, DN solution machines, pro surface grinder machines and wire cut EDM machines. Recently we have supplied the machine in the Premier Indoplast, that is our big group. He recently bought our 3 machines.
Market is connecting automation with the AI. How AI can enable your solution for this market segment?
Our machine is completely ready for robotic also. We are working on a 2.0 and 3.0 version also.
Anything new which is coming up other than this new launch?
We have already launched our CNC EDM machine. That is a completely Indian made machine. The table size is the smaller presently, that is the 500, 300. Soon we will launch 600, 400 travel size, then it will go around 1000 by 500 travel size also. That is our upcoming product. You will see in the coming months or a year.